Hello YouTube, it's me, the Mukisa 11. I want to show you another video of my lock extensions. My client purchased a total of 90 locks and we ended up using 83. She has 73 in size small and 10 in size extra small. The extra small is currently unavailable, but I do have small, small to medium, and medium on my website. My client's locks are 8 inches long. As you can see, it's a decent length, and added with her hair, it ended up being past her shoulders. As you can see, it looks very natural, and this is her afro before. She has two textures of hair, and the density is different. So along the back and the sides is thicker, and the top is thinner. So that's why we had two different size locks. This is the first one, and this is the full installation. She had scooping method, layered for the parting. It's very full, it's very soft, it's very lightweight. As I said, it's past her shoulders. She will have tons of styling options. She likes to wear her hair dark, but if you choose to dye it later, that is a possibility, because the hair is 1B virgin color, and I interlocked her roots for a nice finish. So if you want this style, check below for details. Bye.